There are three types of readers: fiction readers, non-fiction readers, and the readers who maintain a balance between fiction and non-fiction. I personally believe that a reader should always maintain a balance between fiction and non-fiction reads because both categories have its own benefits. Okay, we can keep that discussion for another video, but in today's video, I'm going to introduce to you three non-fiction books which I think you guys should definitely read. If you are new to reading or if you are new to reading non-fiction books, these three books might help you to get into it. And the best thing about these three books are that they are simple to understand, they are quick reads. All the three books are below 100 pages. In fact, two of them are below 50 pages. Only one is slightly longer, 62 pages. So you can just finish them in one sitting. And the third and the best part about all the three books is that you don't have to pay a single penny to read these books. They are freely available for you to read. You just have to read them. The first book is Why I Am an Atheist by Bhagat Singh. This book was written in the year 1930 when Bhagat Singh was in Lahore Central Jail. Bhagat Singh had a very short life. He died at the age of 23, and this book, actually this is not a book, this is an essay written by Bhagat Singh a few days before his death. And it was published for the first time in Lala Lajpat Rai's English weekly named The People. In this book, Bhagat Singh tells us a little bit about his early life. Actually, it is a small memoir of his life. He tells us about his family. He tells us how he got into politics. And basically, he tells us why he do not believe in God and why he strongly believes in atheism, even though he is aware that he has only a few days of his life remaining. This book is not actually about whether you should believe in God or not. This is not about beliefs or atheism. This book is Bhagat Singh's point of view about life and whether to believe in God and why he basically do not believe in God. And it makes complete sense coming from a person who lived at a time when people were suffering and he had a very short life, and the things he faced in this short period of life makes him say all those things, and it completely makes sense to me. So I think everybody should read this book. I read this book on my Kindle, but this book is available on Juggernaut app, but I think it's not free. It's showing rupees 15 on Juggernaut. So if you don't want to pay it, then you can definitely go on Google and search for Why I Am an Atheist by Bhagat Singh essay. So you will get this article for free on Google. The second book is Marketing Lessons from Hindustan Unilever by Sudhir Sitapati. This book will give you a lot of insights about the marketing world. The author discusses various things that goes behind planning of a product till launching that product. You will get to know about the market scenario, what are the things that drive the market, and how these companies analyze the customer behavior before launching any product. This is quite an interesting read. You don't need to have a marketing degree to understand this book. This is written in a simple language that is understandable to any common reader. The author uses a lot of examples from movies and TV soaps so that you can resonate with the scenario. You will also get to know about various products that you use in your day-to-day life, how they were launched and what worked for them, what did not work for them, and all these kind of things. It's quite an interesting read. And one thing that I'm not sure about is that I have read this in the comment section of Goodreads and Amazon that this book is a part of The CEO Factory by the same author. The CEO Factory is a book that is in my TBR from a long time. So I don't know if this is a snippet from that book, but this is a whole package by itself. So definitely read this book. This is available on Juggernaut for free. Even the CEO Factory is available on Juggernaut for free. And when you are getting something for free, why not? Just go and read it. Third book is Durga Writes to Her Father by Devdutt Pattanaik. This book is a mix of politics, feminism, and mythology. Durga is just a metaphor. This book is presented in the form of a letter that is written by a normal girl to her father. This is a small book. It tells us about the life of a woman in our country. It talks about women empowerment. It talks about religion, how some religious beliefs are negatively impacting the society. And it also talks about a lot of politics that revolves around these things. It totally depends on how you take the book. So make sure you read it. This is also available on Juggernaut for free. So make sure you read it and let me know how did you feel about it. And whenever you are reading a book suggested by me, please try to tag me on my social media. I will leave the link to my social media handles in the description box below. So hope you liked today's video. See you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye bye.